Obviously, I know I won anyway. She knows I won. She doesn't want to admit to it, but it's fine. Okay, I need you guys to judge this for me, okay?
Okay. Today we're going to be making Cheeky Monkey Cupcake Kit from Asda.
That's Cheeky Monkey Cake from Asda. Got cupcake mix, chocolate icing mix.
Now this is what we're gonna use to make like the monkey face.
Ooh, we're making a monkey face.
Yeah.
I want to see if we can actually do something different. Think we can do something different? So inside of the box, we've got a stencil that we're gonna use as a cutout to make the monkey face.
Now we're gonna pour in the chocolate mix.
What's next?
Okay. So now we have to put it in the oven. I have to bake it for 12 minutes.
Alright, so now you just gave me a job now. What's my job?
So my dad's gonna cut out the stencil for the monkey face while I make the chocolate icing. So to make the icing, we need 1 tablespoon of milk. We're supposed to add 60 grams of butter.
But what are we gonna add?
But I'm gonna add less.
So we're gonna add less butter then?
Yeah.
So instead of 60 grams, what are we gonna add?
I think about 40.
Yes. Alright, so 40 grams. Healthy, good, not bad. Oh! This, you got chocolate all over. Oh man.
So we're just seeing if these are done. So that one's not done.
Not done. Not done.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll it. Cut out the faces.
Alright, so my daughter's challenging me to see who comes up with the best version of the monkey face without actually
making it look like the Asda's
making it look different from the Asda's one.
Mm-hmm.
Challenge accepted. So what are you making?
Smell it.
Alright, so basically what my daughter is doing here is just licking saturated fats, artificial sugars. She's licking everything. She doesn't actually care.
That tastes disgusting, huh?
So I think I'm gonna win this challenge actually. I don't know what I'm actually gonna do. But you know what? I gotta make sure that I beat her.
Okay.
What's that? Is that a mouth?
Mm-hmm.
What are those?
So guys, I have to come in this week. So I'm going to be sabotaging my dad.
Alright, so I need 2 faces. Where's the other one?
No.
Oh, I've got my monkey face, just one, because my daughter did something with the other one. I can't find it.
I don't do anything.
And guess what? For my eyes, I got Oreos. For my nose, I got carrots. So I'm gonna try and cut a fine tip. So we need someone to judge this. And guess what? I'm going to call my nephews, her cousins, on FaceTime, and they're actually gonna judge this. Don't touch this. I'm not gonna touch yours. Is that fair? Fair enough. All right, so I'm gonna get them on. Exhibition A is mine. Exhibition B is nice.
No, my one's A. Because A's better.
Obviously, I know I won anyway. She knows I won. She doesn't want to admit to it, but it's fine. Reconnecting.
Hello.
You guys alright?
Yes.
Where's the other rascal? I can't see his face. There you go. Okay, I need you guys to judge this for me, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so one cupcake is Naima's and one is mine. Alright, so look at this.
Which one looks
So
better?
number 1 is okay. This is number 1. This is number 2. I'm not gonna tell you which one is mine or Naima's. Which one looks better?
Number 2.
Okay, Samuel said number 2. Joshua, what do you think? What do you think?
Number 2.
Yes, I win! I win! I told you I would win. I won. I
Okay, how come mine didn't win? What's not good about mine?
It's because of the carrot nose.
Say it again?
The nose.
Yeah, I told you the
Oh,
carrot.
it's the carrots. Alright, so Nai won this challenge.
Yes, I get. So guys, I won. So because I won, the prize I get was £20 of Robux. And my dad's here over here sulking because he lost. And the reason he lost was because of the carrot nose. And I told him, why would you use a carrot? But he didn't listen. So maybe if he didn't use the carrot nose, he would have won. So I'm the winner and I get £20 of Robux.
Nai won. Fair play, she won. I used the carrot nose and the boys.
And now you have to, yeah, you guys have to watch him eat a carrot with his cupcake.
Okay, so now I have to eat the cupcake with a carrot nose. Yeah, so £20 minus.